Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. As you can see, the plaster's off my wrist now. I'm very pleased with the way it's healed up. I've got to be careful what I do with it, but it's a lot better than I thought it would have been. The movement's coming back, so I'm really pleased with that. I'd like to give a shout out for the lass at the RVI that put me plasters on. I give out one of my cards, it's been watching me YouTube channel. So anyway, thanks very much for all the help you've given us, looking after us. Yeah, care and attention has been absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Right, tonight's nightcap, I do the draw for the Mr. Studio Carter. I'll have to do it because there's nobody else here. I've got one or two items that I'm going to do another giveaway on. I get some more work done on the welding table. I've got an old chuck and I'm making an adapter plate and a mandrel to mount that. Hopefully later on there'll be some screw threading. I do 1.5" by 6" TPI thread. Quite interesting to set up on the gearbox and use a spring type screw cutting tool. I hope you find that interesting. As one of my viewers asked us if I would cut them out a silhouette of a racing kart for a weather vane. So I spent a bit of time on the plasma cutter this morning and I got that done for him. I'll show a little bit of that. Right, I'm going to get the draw done for that nice little Vernia. It's basically an internal Vernia. And the bucket's getting even more full now. I think it was 70 or 80 names went in last week, so I'll have a good mix up. Right, see what we've got. The one there. Brian Richardson. Right, Brian. All you need to do is email me your address and I'll get that posted off to you. Brian Richardson, it's obviously it's an English, seems like an English name. It seems strange that all the lightweight stuff gets won in this country and all the heavy stuff goes to Australia or America. Anyway, I suppose that's just the way it is. Right, I'm going to do another draw. I'm going to keep on doing draws as long as I've got things to give away and people are sending things in all the time. The draw this time is for a nice 6" steel ruler. It's got all the metal conversions on the back and a nice little scriber. They've both got clips in so you can put them in your overall pocket. I'll get a close-up shot of these and I'll put it in probably now. It's nice to think that somebody's used these tools to make a living with. Anyway, I'm sure whoever gets them will be pleased with them and put them to good use. If you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there. Email, and all I need is your name. Make sure it's your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. It'll be drawn out. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off anywhere in the world completely free of charge. Somebody asked what I do with the names when they come out of the bucket. I put them in a box upstairs. So I think I've got 60 names now and I've got all the emails and things. So what I might do at the end of the year is do a winner's draw. I'm not sure. With me daughter, I did put a name back in a fortnight ago and I fished around and got it out. So basically once you've won, you're not going to win again. I've been asked by one of my viewers if I would cut him out the shape of a cart. The lad obviously races carts and he wants this for a weather vane. So I found a silhouette on the internet and I managed to get it to the computer and create a G-code from it. I've got it into Mark 3, it's alright to go. I'm going to cut it out a 3mm plate using 30 amps. I'm very pleased with the result of that. That's come out nicely. There's hardly any flash on the back of it. Nice clean cut. Right, so we need that piece there trimming off. This is going to be the top of the unit. Right, that cutting up along that line. I would normally just use a hacksaw, but this is making using a hacksaw difficult, so I'll just put it in the milling machine and mill that bit off. Right, that's the way it's going to be going. I've already got 2 mounting holes here. We'll put 1 more on the bottom. 3 is going to be more than enough to hold it on. Right. I've got 1 hole there, 1 hole there, and I'll put another one in around there. I'm just going to spot these holes through freehand, and then I'll drill and tap 6mm, drill and tap into the plate. 1 there. I need to drill a new hole there. I'm going to move that one around a little bit because I can't actually get the bolt in. I need to go right through the casting and just mark the plate. These long drills are going to prove very useful for jobs like this. Right, so I have to mark the plate down below it. He's now one drilling and tapping 6mm, and that'll be a straightforward bolt on. Right, so I've got these three to drill and tap 6mm, and that countersunk one there wants to go a little bit deeper. There's quite a bit of tolerance on the holes in the gearbox to line up with these, so I'm sure it'll line them up no problem at all by eye, so to speak. Tap and drill for 6mm. Looks good. Right in the middle. It's great that. Definitely one of the best things I did to this mill was put the VFD conversion on it. Yeah, very pleased with that. Come on, John. Right, I've got the gearbox fastened onto the motor now, as you can see. I'll put some in there just so you can get some idea of how it spins around, or what sort of speed it spins around at. That'll do nicely. Start off, that's a real nice slow speed. I'm going to have a foot switch on this as well, so I can turn it on and off or pulse it as I'm welding. Right, and that's as fast as it goes. That would be like the real fast MIG weld, but for your normal TIG welding, that's a real good speed. Motor's running nice and smooth. I'm very happy with that. That's a real good start to the project. And this gearbox is a 10-to-1 reduction. In the Whiter motor, it's got a real high reduction. It's a Worman wheel on the Whiter motor. I think this was only £5 or £6 to buy. The speed controller, it's quite a nice little unit. Right, we'll do the draw for that Mitsubishi's make a pickup span.